So today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you what has happened yesterday in the Harry Potter park. So it's the best park so far. Like, I've went to Disneyland, that sucked compared to this. So I'm gonna first start with the passports. You have passports where you stamp stuff and you eventually find scabbers. And well, see, there's stamps. This is a Quidditch stamp. They were in random locations. So yeah. And then we have the map. The map is how it helps you to find scabbers. We have letters, which we find out by projector. Eventually, we found the word owlery. It was in owlery, and then you put it under a UV light, and it shows where Scabbers is. So, because of my intellect, I guessed the word immediately because I am such a nerd in Harry Potter. So yeah, that was what happened in the Harry Potter Museum. So, again, we have the stuff I got from our little shopping. So we have books, Hufflepuff, my sister's, Gryffindor, mine, and my dad's Slytherin. So basic. We have Hedwig over here for my little brother, and we have mugs from Butterbeer. You will see my video soon. We have this for Butterbeer. This is for Butterbeer ice cream. Then we have the books, the actual books. So I finished mostly all of them. I'm on the 6th book. When I'm finishing this, I'm gonna read the 7th book. See, thick. So then we have the Howler, which was in the second part of Harry Potter.
Ronald Weasley, how dare you steal that card? I am absolutely disgusted. Your father is facing a query at work, and it's all your fault. If you put a toe out of line, we're taking you straight back home.
And Ginny, congratulations on making Gryffindor. Your father and I are so proud. Yes, nice. I made it myself. Oh. So now it's time for the. Oh wait, no. We have hugs, Gryffindor mug, and Hufflepuff mug. I think they're thermoses. Now we go to the. So we have it's a problem. I'm like wanted for $5 billion in the Wizarding World. So yeah, here's the poster that I made. They made of me. And this is me. You can read some. I think. Yes, read. So now we go to the quill. So I'm gonna write in mine. There's ink actually. I'm surprised that there's actually ink in there. In the next video we're gonna see the favorite stuff like the ink bottle and jelly beans. So we have beans, every flavor. I'm not that lucky, so I hope we're getting some earwax maybe. That's good. I think the worst one is pepper. I had this before, but it was in a smaller box. So underrated. Oh yeah. So after 3 years of unboxing this, so we have opened it. Okay, there's a bag of beans. Those 4 I am going to taste testing. You or the lucky few are dying. Okay, we have the yellow one. Oh, lemon. Lemon. Blue. I think it's something good. I don't know. So now we have this. Deja vu moment. Now, I think this is the same. Yeah, it's the same. So yeah, that's the beans. Now it's time for the corn. So I decided that I'm gonna taste some more. I'm gonna take a pink one. Pink is not my lucky color because in my last video, the flowers fell. So let's go with this. Please don't move on it. Wait, this sucks. Apricot. So it's like taking then putting more liquid, taking a donut and then drinking smoothie. So now we have this. I wanted to do this. It's black, so I think it's pepper. Tastes like oh my god. Yes. So after that pepper thing, I had a warm toilet and so now we're gonna open this. We'll finally something. Yeah. Yes. That's something. Yes, I found it. Yes. So we take this out and we have the Holy Grail, the actual grill. So now we're gonna try. Okay, yeah, you have this. Careful, this is really weird. It does not go away. So now let's. How do you open it? So we just opened this. We found out this is wax. So let's try to write in my personal. So we just dip it in here. Look at that. Wait. What? How do you write this? What? So we found out how it works. So I'm gonna write. For my, I wrote this in my book. You should totally do this verb. So